So good evening. First of all, welcome to our channel Rakshak. We are dealing one of the important topic in view of the geopolitics of the day and because of the escalatory phenomena of war between Israel and Iran, where United States has also jumped and three of the nuclear facilities have been bombarded by United States. So here the important question is about the Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz. First of all, my question is, what do you understand by strait? Strait, strait.
सर शॉर्ट क्रॉसिंग होती है सर सी में
Okay,
एक एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री जाने के लिए।
okay. Means a small passage between the two seas, between the two larger seas. Can you see this map?
यस सर।
So now this is the Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz. It is visible on the
यस
screen.
सर,
So
विजिबल
it
सर।
connects the Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf. The two larger seas are Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman on both the sides. So this is Strait of Hormuz, which is in news. It is 96 kilometer wide, and all the ships have to pass through this area if they have to come to India and if they have to go to Europe. So this is the supply route of oil from Middle East. Supply route of oil from Middle East. So yesterday the Parliament of Iran has taken a decision to close this Strait of Hormuz. To close this Strait of Hormuz. Why they have taken this decision? Why they have taken this decision?
सर टू स्टॉप द ट्रेड एंड द
To,
सप्लाई ऑफ
to
द।
create to create difficulties for the whole world in relation to oil supplies and in relation to trade. So they in their parliament has taken the decision that we'll stop this. And if it is stopped, then India will also feel the pinch of it. Because we are getting 5 million barrels of oil supply. 5 million barrels of oil supply through this route in a day. What is the rate of the barrel of the crude oil these days? It was earlier $67. Earlier it was $67. Now it is touching 80. So as per the economic experts, if the war between Israel and Iran flares up, as well as United States keep on interfering in this regional instability, the price of oil barrel may go up to $130. $130, which will be almost double the present price. So it will create great difficulties not only for India but also for rest of the world. Then you can see that there is Saudi Arabia on the southern side of United Arab Emirates, Oman, United Arab Emirates. These three countries will also be affected. Then we have got this Qatar, Bahrain. These countries will be affected. So this is in news. I have shared an article on this subject, Strait of Hormuz. Go through this article. It is one of the channel which has to be crossed by the ships. Earlier, Houthis were also causing problem in this area. But now if Iran controls it and do not allow safe passage of the ships, it will increase the prices. It will increase the insurance prices. It will increase the trade prices also. So America has said that we'll take appropriate action. Let Iran close and then we'll decide what is to be done about this Strait of Hormuz. Then there is another meaning of the strait besides खाड़ी. हिंदी में इसको खाड़ी बोलते हैं. जैसे डायर स्ट्रेट्स बोलते हैं. हम क्या बोलते हैं? डायर स्ट्रेट्स. अगर आपने आर्टिकल पढ़ा हो. जैसे इकोनॉमी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इन डायर स्ट्रेट्स. व्हाट डज इट मीन? It means in difficult times. Pakistan is passing through difficult times as far as the economic matters are concerned. Or you can say, these days Manish is passing through dire straits. What does it mean? It means that you are having financial difficulties. You are having financial difficulties. It is difficult for you to make two ends meet. So we have shared the article. Go through this article and you will come to know what is the importance of this article. पर्शियन गल्फ में सऊदी अरेबिया, इराक, कुवैत, यूएई, कतर, ईरान, ये सारी की सारी कंट्रीज आती हैं. और ये जो चैनल है 55 किलोमीटर से लेके 95 किलोमीटर तक विड्थ में है. इससे रोज का 20 मिलियन बैरल ऑयल फ्लो होता है. ठीक है. तो अभी जो है कल पार्लियामेंट ने, ईरान की पार्लियामेंट ने डिसीजन लिया है कि वी वुड लाइक टू क्लोज इट. अरामको सऊदी अरेबिया की एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है जिसको नुकसान हो सकता है. उसके अलावा जो है निप्पॉन कंपनी है जिसको नुकसान हो सकता है. उसके अलावा जो है ओपेक, ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग एक्सपोर्ट कंट्रीज, इनको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. इंडिया की ऑयल सप्लाई लगभग 40% इसी इलाके से गुजरती है. 50% हमारा जो है लिक्विफाइड नेचुरल गैस इसी इलाके से गुजरता है. तो अब अगर ये रूट बंद हो जाता है तो वील हैव टू एक्सप्लोर द रूट ऑफ वेस्ट अफ्रीका एंड इट विल कॉज ट्रबल टू not only us but also to all countries including Europe. Got my point? So this is geographically important. You must know about it. Then we are doing with another important topic. That is, today we have selected one essay for you. We have selected one essay for you, which will be discussing this is the one of the essay which we have selected for you. Hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world. इसका मतलब क्या है? बेसिकली इसका मतलब है कि जो हाथ आपका पालन पोषण करता है वही हाथ वर्ल्ड को कंट्रोल करता है या वर्ल्ड के ऊपर शासन करता है. So this was last year essay in the civil services. So basically इसमें दूसरा मतलब भी ऐसे का ये हो सकता है कि पावर ऑफ द मदर, पावर ऑफ द मदर, और एम्पावरमेंट टू द वुमेन, एम्पावरमेंट टू द वुमेन, ये इसका तीसरा रूप हो सकता है इस ऐसे का. सो we'll deal with it. The hand that rocks the world is the hand that rules the world is a proverb, is a proverb, which means that the rulers are born through mothers. The rulers are born through mothers. They are raised by the mothers. This was the poem written by Wallace in 1865. In 1865, of highlighting the impact of motherhood. Highlighting the impact of motherhood. So, in context of India, Vande Mataram, our national song, itself, what does it mean? It means we glorify the mother, we glorify Ma, Ammi, Amma, Bebe, Ba, Mummy, or Mom. These are the words which are used in different languages, in different culture, by different people, but it denotes one meaning. The one meaning is the mother. So, caregiver in childhood, particularly mothers, have profound influence on the lives of individuals and societies. मदर का आपकी पर्सनैलिटी पे बहुत ज्यादा असर होता है. My grandmother used to tell me one story. I would like to narrate the story. एक थीफ जो है राजा के दरबार में पकड़ा गया, तो राजा ने बोला कि भाई आपको सजा दी जाएगी. तो उसने बोला क्या सजा दी जाएगी? कहता आपको जो है मौत की सजा दी जाएगी. तो उसने बोला रुको. कहता क्यों? कहता पहले मेरी मदर को बुलाओ. मदर आ गई. कहता सबसे पहले जो है इसके जो है जीभ काट दो. कहता क्यों? राजा ने पूछा. कहता जी इसने आज तक मुझे रोका ही नहीं चोरी करने से. शी ऑलवेज encouraged me, therefore today I am in your prison. Had she not encouraged me, I would have not been a thief today. She did not stop me during my childhood. So today what we are, it is basically because of our mother. Mother plays a vital role in instilling fundamental values in the children. What are the fundamental values? Sincerity, honesty, discipline, compassion. These are the fundamental values. Sharing. आपकी मदर आपको सिखाती है शेयर करो. आपका खाना मिल गया, आपने 4 चॉकलेट ले आए तो बोले कि 2 भाइयों में बांट दो, एक सिस्टर को दे दो. शेयरिंग, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ शेयरिंग यू लर्न फ्रॉम मदर. Emotional resilience. If you are strong today emotionally, it is because of your mother. Mother teaches you how to face the challenges with courage and adaptability. Mother is the bedrock of personal and professional success. अगर आपकी लाइफ में पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस आई है तो उसके पीछे मदर का रोल बहुत बड़ा है. Whether it is comforting a child in times of failure or encouraging them to strive harder, mother prepares their children for life adversities, fostering resilience that benefits society at large. मदर जो है अगर चाइल्ड फेल हो रहा है, कहीं पे हर्डल में फंस रहा है, तो उसको इनकरेज करती है और उसको बोलती है कि दोबारा कोशिश करो. So nurturing provided by caregiver also impacts mental health. A sporting and loving environment fosters emotional intelligence, social skill. That translates into society well-being and mentally healthy individuals more likely to contribute positively to the community. Now we will take the examples from history. Mahatma Gandhi attributed that if I speak truth and non-violence, it is because of my mother Putli Bai. महात्मा गांधी ने क्या बोला कि मेरी मदर पुतली बाई के कारण आज मैं सच्चाई पे चलता हूं और अहिंसा पे चलता हूं. There is one thick book of Mahatma Gandhi written by the historian. I have gone through that book in which he has stated that when Mahatma Gandhi went to study in England about the barrister study, then her mother took 3 promises from him. What were those 3 promises? You will not touch any lady, number one. You will not drink. You will not eat meat. Mahatma Gandhi completed the barrister studies and followed the teachings of her mother, did not breach any of the promises. So after completing the studies, when he landed back to Porbandar in Gujarat, he wanted to make sure that first of all I'll meet my mother Putli Bai and tell her that look, I have kept all the promises. But her mother was no more and she had passed to heavenly abode. Her uncle had not informed Mahatma Gandhi during his studies that your mother has passed. Otherwise, Mahatma Gandhi would have been uncomfortable in England. So when Mahatma Gandhi realized that I was keeping all these promises for 5 years, today I have come to Porbandar after finishing the studies, but my mother is unable to see me. I am unable to see her. At that time, Mahatma Gandhi wept bitterly. So this was the kind of influence of Mahatma Gandhi by her mother. Shivaji owned courage to her mother Jijabai. शिवाजी में जो करेज था वो किसके कारण था? जीजाबाई में. लिंकन फेमसली सेड ऑल दैट आई एम आई ओ टू एंजल मदर. लिंकन ने क्या बोला? हु वाज लिंकन? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ
President of US.
America. President of America. So mothers play an important role in shaping our personality, in shaping our lives. In Indian culture, we give respect to माँ दुर्गा, माँ लक्ष्मी, माँ सरस्वती, माँ काली, माँ अन्नपूर्णा, माँ सीता. In Sanskrit, we have a quotation. What is that quotation? यत्र पूज्यते पूज्यते नारस्तु तत्र रमन्ते देवता. जहां पर नारी की पूजा होती है वहां पे क्या होता है? देवता वास करते हैं. How did Guru Nanak describe about the ladies, about the female, about the woman? सो मंदा क्यों आखिए जिन जामे राजान. उनको मंदा कहने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है जिनसे राजा पैदा होते हैं. So all our mantras about the worship of Durga during Navratras are basically dedicated to Mother. 9 days puja in Navratra goes to whom? To Mother. Iconic movie Mother India, for instance, celebrates the intelligence and resilience of female protagonists. In real life, Nirbhaya, mother, became powerful public symbol of strength and justice in midst of personal tragedy. निर्भया केस हुआ था ना हमारे यहाँ पे दिल्ली में. डू यू रिमेम्बर? उसकी मदर बड़ी पावरफुल निकली, उसने सारी ट्रेजेडी जो है सहन की. So veneration of motherhood is universal. What do you mean by veneration? Means पूजा. Veneration का क्या मतलब होता है? पूजा. Whether it is Christian devotion to Mother Mary or Aphrodite in ancient Greece or Muslims regarding Khadija as mother of all believers, other cultures too recognize the central role of mothers. Movies like Forrest Gump and novels like Mother by Russian writer Maxim Gorky further bear testimony to how other cultures also celebrate motherhood. So, in the whole world, all the cultures celebrate the power of mother, the values of the mother. Indeed, across the globe, many people have personified their whole nation in a reverential feminine form, quite like our veneration of Bharat Mata. We say Bharat Mata. Images of Britannia and Britain, Lady Liberty in USA, Sri Lanka Mata, and Bang Mata in our neighborhood evoke a deferential sentiment among us, their people. What do you mean by deferential? Deferential means respectful, पूजा. डिफरेंशियल का मतलब यहाँ पे है ये DEFERENTIAL है. डिफरेंशियल वो होता है डिफरेंशियल जिसमें अलग होता है. ये है डेफर. डिफरेंशियल मीन्स रिस्पेक्टफुल, वर्शिप, वर्शिप सेंटिमेंट. तो बंगाल में भी बंग माता माना जाता है. बंगाल में काली की पूजा की जाती है 9 days. बंगाल में nobody knows about लॉर्ड रामा. इफ यू गो अहेड ऑफ बिहार, बिहार से आगे निकल जाओ, राम धीरे धीरे फेड हो जाता है. बंगाल में इट इज काली, काली. असम में भी काली की पूजा है. त्रिपुरा में भी काली की पूजा है. फोस्टर मदर्स, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फोस्टर मदर? जो मदर लालन पालन करती है. जरूरी नहीं है जिसने जन्म दिया है. जैसे इन केस ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा, हु वाज द फोस्टर मदर? फोस्टर मदर का नाम बताओ लॉर्ड कृष्णा.
यशोदा.
यशोदा, करेक्ट. सो यशोदा प्लेस a great role, better than the Devki. Other mothers like nannies. What do you mean by nannies? Those who look after babies, babysitters, baby daycare. They play a great role in our life. They provide professional service, manage the child, and fulfill their obligations. क्रच, ये जो क्रच, क्रच, क्रच सुना आपने? क्रच, व्हाट डू मीन बाय क्रच? मान लो
डे
हस्बैंड
केयर
वाइफ दोनों काम
फैसिलिटीज.
करते हैं तो बच्चे को क्रच में छोड़ जाते हैं. वो फिर शाम को 5 बजे ले लेते हैं, सुबह 9 बजे छोड़ जाते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज क्रच. वहां पे एक लेडी जो है 10-12 बच्चे मैनेज करती है, उनको खाना पीना खिलाती है, उनके कपड़े साफ करती है, उनको जो मुंह वगैरह साफ कर देती है, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाते भी हैं प्ले वे मेथड से. सो नाउ सरोगेसी मदर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सरोगेसी? सरोगेसी, SURROGACY,
सर
सरोगेसी.
जो दूसरों के बच्चे अपने वोम में रखती है.
Means if there is some medical problem in the woman and she cannot bear the child, then sperm and ova of the couple are taken and kept in the womb of other mother. That womb is hired. That is known as surrogacy. Surrogacy mother plays an important role in, you can say, producing child. Now, role of father. These days, in modern days, we are playing very active role. In active role, we also contribute to the development of the child. We share responsibilities. जैसे आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, आपका उस दिन जो है मैडम काम पे गई हुई है, तो आप भी पीछे से चाइल्ड को देखते हैं, आप चाइल्ड को पढ़ाते हैं, आप उनके कपड़े बदल देते हैं, आप उनको नहलाते हैं. सो दिस वे mothers are playing a crucial role in our life. As educators, they are changing our lives. Majority में टीचर्स कौन है स्कूलों में? वुमेन है. They are the primary educators. Now, beyond caregiving in Indian history, beyond caregiving in Indian history, reformers like Savitribai Phule. सावित्रीबाई फुले कौन है? महाराष्ट्र की रिफॉर्मर है, सोशल रिफॉर्मर. साक्षी मलिक. हु इज साक्षी मलिक? साक्षी मलिक कौन है?
ओलंपियन है.
ओलंपियन है. शी मिस द मेडल. ठीक है. इंदिरा गांधी. मुर्मू, प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू. प्रतिभा पाटिल. There are hundreds and scores of examples which you can give that they are role models. PV Sindhu, Mary Kom, boxer. So they are the drivers of grassroots changes. They are the drivers of grassroots changes. How? आंगनवाड़ी. आज की तारीख में आपका आंगनवाड़ी चल रहा है. आशा वर्कर्स, जो हेल्थ सिस्टम को देखती हैं पूरे रूरल एरिया में, पब्लिक एरिया में. वुमेन्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन is increasing day by day. Environmental conservation, Chipko movement, Wangari Maathai. Overcoming the challenges, women are overcoming the challenges. Empowering women thus is a strategy for social progress. Now we are demanding that there should be 33% reservation in the parliament for women. Today, women are not only IAS, IPS officers, but they are flight officers. They are infantry officers. They are officers in border security force, in CASF. You talk of any field and you will find women there. So, in nutshell, we say mothers are the developers in the human progress. They are educators, mentors, leaders, caregivers, nurture values, skill, resilience, and define human progress. So this is in nutshell, we have discussed about the essay, that is power of the woman, power of the mother, empowerment to the woman, or role the woman has played in the human progress of the society. Got my point? So today we have discussed two topics. Number one, state of Hormuz, geopolitical significance in relation to the recent war between Israel and Iran and jumping of USA into the field. And second is the empowerment of the woman, or role of the mother, or role of the woman in the progress of the human society. Any questions from your side? If no questions, then we close it here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद सर.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind.